Hey, what's up? Today we have this 2007 Honda Pilot. There's noises coming from the rear shock, so I'll be replacing them with these new ones. Let me put the camera right here and I'll show you what I mean. To remove the shock, we have to loosen up the lug nuts, pick up the car, put a jack stand, and then remove the tire. Okay, once removing the tire, this is going to be the bolt we have to remove using a 17mm socket. And then there's going to be another bolt right here. This one right here. This is the washer and nut. Okay, out with the old, in with the new, and we're going to start putting the bottom part first. Okay, once the bottom part is there, now this one you have to push down and then just let go and it should go back to its normal place. I'll get the bolt. We're gonna put it in just like that. Okay. Then over here at the bottom, remember you gotta put the washer first. And then the bolt. Okay, now up here, do the same. That's it. All right, the job is finished on the driver's side. To do the passenger side shock is pretty much the same thing. It's the same procedure. So once I'm gonna finish doing the other one, then I'm going to record another video jumping on the car again to see if it's the same or if the problem is fixed. All right, guys, both rear shocks are replaced. As you can see right there is the brand new one, and this one is replaced as well. I'm going to be jumping on top of the car and see if the noise went away. So, hold on. Okay, the ugly noise did went away. I can still hear a little squeaking sound, but it's not coming from the rear shocks, it's coming from somewhere else. But yeah, I'll be posting a before and after so you guys can hear the difference. If this video helped you in any way, please consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below, like this video. I'll be posting a link down below in the description if you want to buy the rear shocks. So alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Peace.